Hello, my name is Todd Spangler, and I teach at Whitefish High School in Whitefish, Montana. I teach chemistry, physics, advanced chemistry, and I've been teaching for close to 15 years. I'm attending the first year ASM camp for a variety of reasons, but probably the main reason is I do a lot of research projects in my classrooms. Kids do individualized research projects, and I very often have kids that are interested in materials-related projects, and I wanted to expand my materials-related education and comfort level, and maybe pick up some ideas so I could point the kids in the right direction, and at the same time maybe make some connections and do some networking that'll help me in the future when the kids approach me with ideas for projects. One of the best things I've picked up from the camp so far is the exposure to a variety of different labs, demos, and projects. I've had some experience with a lot of them. I've heard about some of them or read a little bit about them, but it's been a good opportunity to explore those a little bit more in depth, understand a little bit more about the science behind them, and now I'll feel a little bit more comfortable in what I would need to do to incorporate that more in my classroom, where I would need to expand my knowledge, where I can get some resources to be able to incorporate those in the classroom, and bring some of those practical applications back into my classroom, that's really what kids get excited about and kids thrive on.